Jan's trying to catch a wave.
I'm trying.
That's not how you do it, Jan. I'm trying to like teach him correctly and how to properly. Now, boogie board. Hey, okay, see what you learned from me. Keanu over here. Get sharks over.